Thank you.
I'm Lisa Fine.
And I'm Michael Fine.
And together we run Quiet Town. We're a bathroom accessory brand based in Brooklyn. But today we wanted to show you our own little quiet town that we carved out for ourselves in the middle of Long Island in a town called Mattituck. Coming out here is a real escape. It really feels like we've left a million miles between us and Brooklyn. And ironically, it's also where most of our work kind of happens.
I think what really flowed was that the house really became an extension of the brand, and it really worked together.
Yeah, I think we realized when we were putting together our ideas for the house, they were one and the same.
Right.
It was all about outdoors, nature, light, sun, chill vibe.
We saw this 1970s ranch house that needed a lot of updating, and we were able to take our vision of light and just airy vibes and really made it into our dream California bungalow. We vaulted the ceilings and put wood on the top. They used to just be that height, like your standard sort of 8-foot ceiling.
And then there used to be a wall here actually separating
across this whole thing.
a pretty hideous kitchen.
We added the skylights to let a lot of light in. As you can see, there's beaming light coming in right now.
For anyone who's lived in New York for long periods of time, the cold really starts to get into your bones and mess with your head. And so we felt like this place needed to be filled with sun all the time. It needed to feel like perpetual summer. That's one of the reasons why we chose all of these light woods, something that felt bleached from the sun, something that felt unfinished and really raw. You can live anywhere in the world as long as you can carve out a little time for yourself, make it beautiful, make it feel like you. There's so many beautiful things out there for living rooms and bedrooms and every other part of your home, but I feel like there's not a lot of really thoughtful, personal pieces that go into your bathroom. So if we can just sort of help people create a space that feels like it's touching a part of them and it's carving out the time and the space that they need to just chill and be alone with their thoughts, then I think that we've achieved something really great.